Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best Forex trading strategy. But first we open AUD/USD in M5 time frame. Now this strategy is very easy and simple. So this strategy work we need only one indicator is Keltner channels. Set Keltner channels default setting. How to trade on this indicator. When candle cross the upper channel without touching middle moving average, then you take a buy trade. Now here is indicator buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss low point of candle. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. When candle cross the lower channel without touching middle moving average, then you take a sell trade. Now here is indicator sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss high point of candle. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.